Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer. For those who are new, welcome, and for those who are back, welcome back y'all. I invite you to subscribe if you have not yet done so. We'd love to have you here as we talk about luxury beauty and new releases and all things what's good, what's not, and all the things in between. So we'd love to have you here. One of you requested that we do a transition to fall video. I thought that was a brilliant idea. What are we transitioning our look to for fall? I mean, I know for fashion we go for the booties and the boots and the sweaters and just the oversized cardigans are super in right now. But for makeup, what are we doing? What are we doing, y'all? So I thought we'd talk about that today, just kind of get ready. So let's do it. All right, as you can see, I don't have makeup on. I have had some breakouts. It just is what it is. I've been trying to let it breathe for a few days just because I like to do that if my skin breaks out. Just personal preference. Really try to hydrate. Really try to moisturize. Niacinamide. But anyways, I digress. Let's talk about them. So for this video, I'm going to talk about the products that I am using and really how I'm creating a fall look, but also some other things too. So if I forget to mention a product that I'm putting on my face, I apologize in advance, but I'll have everything linked down below so that you can see it and kind of reference that as well. I'm starting with my Tom Ford. This is the Perfecting Foundation, the Traceless Perfecting Foundation that they're discontinuing. I think I saw it still available at some retailers though, and it's half off, and this is so good. Oh my gosh, why are they discontinuing? I don't know, but I just love it so much. I want to use it. For fall, with prepping and priming my skin, it really doesn't change for me because I do have such dry skin. Honestly, I have very dry skin. I hydrate so much. So much. And with that though, you know, my skin does get even drier, so I'll tend to go for a more hydrating moisturizer, almost like a balm sometimes. I really love a good balm. As for foundation, I find I need a little bit more coverage. Now, I am 35. I'm starting to get, you know, little lines here. I have a few right here. So in the summer, I feel like I'm not wanting a lot of foundation. We're at the beach more. We do live at the beach and things like that. So for us, it's kind of one of those more bare face days more than not. So, but during fall, I feel like I need a little bit more, and not a full coverage or anything. I've never really been the one to put on a ton of coverage, but I do like a little bit more than the summer, because in the summer, I'm doing a tinted moisturizer or kind of a light to medium coverage. So a solid medium in the fall and winter is what I usually use. All right, I'm going in with the Dior Show Brow Styler. This guy is so fun. I have really enjoyed this. Guys, I still haven't gotten my brows done. It's been before March that I haven't had my brows done. I mean, they're not so bad though. I mean, I've been trying to keep up with them, but I feel like I always used to get them waxed or whatnot, and a good wax just cleans them up really well. But for brows, nothing changes for me personally. I continue to do them kind of the same as I do. I really like this brow styler, you guys. I think it's just so nice. It stays. It has some staying power for sure. I really enjoy using this. All right, let me continue. Mine is in the universal shade, by the way. I'm gonna do the other eye, and I'll be all right. Those are the brows. I love this. I do. I love this one. Okay, so my top two brow pencils right now are the Gucci and the Dior. I love them both. They are different. This is more of a waxy, kind of really fine tip, and this is a pencil. So those are my two faves right now. Going into makeup on the face from a bronzer perspective. So let's talk about bronzer. I like a good bronzer for my face. Nothing really changes there. I'm not going to go as heavy-handed though. In the summer, I'm using this, you know, Gucci bronzer, which I love, by the way. If you can't tell already, I've talked about it a lot, so I'm sorry. But I just love it. It's so good, and it's really nice. But I'm going in with a fluffier brush to get less color payoff because, you know, I've been using a denser brush for this particular product, But as summer is coming to a close, I won't have as much sun, and therefore I won't need as much color payoff. That is something that I will change for sure as we tend to start getting into fall. I am so excited about fall, you guys. I really am. I think the turning of a season is just so fun and fresh. It's kind of like a new start in a way, and I just really like that. I like the changing of a season. I think, you know, fall is such a fun time, and my kids love fall too. And you know what, y'all are okay. This is something about me, y'all. Some of y'all will be like, oh my gosh. I've never really tried a pumpkin spice latte. I know. I don't know why. I like the peppermint mochas, but I've never tried a pumpkin spice latte. I need to try it. I just haven't yet. And it's like everyone's favorite, and I just haven't done it. So I need to. Tell me what your favorite coffee drink. I love coffee though. Like I just like an Americano but I would love to try it because I don't know. I want to see what it's all about. Bronzer is on. This SUQQU powder blush compact, you guys. So I did a first impressions video, and I'm going to refilm it because it's just so good that my first impressions of it were just kind of like, oh, it's good. You know, it's good. And I'm like, that is not giving any of this justice because it is beautiful. And I just really like how rich these tones are. I was seeing that someone was saying that they could use these for bronzers, which is totally awesome. These are more blushes, and these are highlighters, right? But I love these as blushers too. And I like them because I love that brown tone for fall. We're gonna put these on my cheeks. Okay, I always do this, you guys. I don't know why. I always do this. I forget to put on concealer. But this is a Makeup Forever Ultra HD 31.5. And I'm just going to put this right here because I just need some brightening. Just a little bit of brightening. That's what I do. If I get too much on, I just take a clean brush and just blend. For highlighter, I am going to use this highlight in this palette. So this is kind of a golden sheen highlight more so than anything. And I'm just gonna go right here. It's really pretty, you guys. Just gorgeous. I mean, look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. The face is pretty much done. Now we're gonna do eyes. This is so hard because there's so many great collections coming out for fall, just in general, like the Chanel and the reds and the browns, but I might use some browns in this Natasha Denona palette, something that is cool, but a little bit warm, on the warm side too, because I really want to use this Chanel lipstick. It's a brownie kind of nude lipstick. And I think that if I pair this with something really natural and pretty, it's gonna look good. Let's play. First up, I'm gonna go in with this blend shade here. So that's a shade here I want to use. I really like that shade, you guys. I think on top of the eye, I'm going to go the outer eyelid here. Now this looks kind of deep here, but I think it's going to turn out really pretty. Just a little bit, not a whole lot. And then for the center eye right here, I'm going to go in with that shade. I just kind of barely tap my finger and put just a sheer wash of color on my eyelid, and I like a sheer wash. I do. I think that's so pretty. I really like that a lot. And then I'm going in with I think I might just try this one for the inner corner. Just, I don't know, just a little bit, just right there, just a tad. And then I definitely want to put the brow bone shade on. So this is the brow bone. And that's it. I do like cooler tones for the fall months. I feel like this is a very neutral cool tone look in a lot of ways, leaning on the cooler side rather than the warmer side. I think it's so pretty and it's something different. You know, I feel like warmer pinks and corals are so in for spring and summer, whereas we're going to get into the deeper mauves and the deeper kind of tones for fall and winter. Red, especially for the holidays. I cannot wait. I love a good liner and red lipstick. Just simple but stunning. Classic, just classically beautiful. It's so, so pretty. I should do a look like that because I love that look. I love it. Okay, I'm taking my Chanel eyeliner. This is in the fall collection. It's called SUQQU 959. It looks like this. It is so pretty. But the cool thing about this is that it is quite a little bit burgundy, but it is more on the brownie burgundy side. So it does look more natural than not, if that makes sense. The other shade that they came out with is so pretty too, but it could probably, I mean, you could totally, it reminds me of a lip liner too, but it is so, so pretty and something different. So I just barely line my eyes right here. And you can tell it just gives a little pop to the eye, whereas this one doesn't have that yet. So I did line that waterline on the bottom, and you can tell there's burgundy, but it's a little bit more brownie burgundy. I'm going to curl my lashes and put on mascara. I'll be right back. Alright, I just used my Chanel Le Volume de Chanel mascara. This is my favorite mascara, you guys. I love this mascara so much. I just opened a new tube. It is like a tried and true mascara. And you noticed I have red nails. I didn't even realize that, and I was like, oh, I have red nails too. It's kind of fall, and then the sweater is kind of all the fall vibes, and to me at least, you know, this sweater was I think it was like $20 at Target. It's so soft. It's so soft, you guys. But we are gonna go in with the Chanel lipstick. This is their matte lipstick formula. This is called Ambiguity. It is $8.34. It's their Rouge Allure Ink Fusion lipstick, and I'm gonna put this on. It is so good. Oh, the shade, you guys. Look at this. Ah! As I'm letting that dry, I'm gonna spray my face with this Veil setting spray. I personally love that setting spray. I think it's really beautiful. I think it's really nice. It makes the skin look more like skin after putting makeup on, you know, and I personally like that, especially if I'm gonna wear a little bit more in the fall and winter. I feel like this look just embodies more fall for me. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun talking to y'all about kind of transitioning to fall. And I love these types of rustier colors in a lot of ways. The brownie cheek colors and the brownie lip colors. I just love that so much. As we kind of get closer to holiday, you'll see me kind of really loving reds, really loving kind of that simple feline flick eye. I love that. So yeah, I have so much fun speaking to y'all about all the things related to beauty. This is so fun, just creating looks with you guys and just seeing what we can come up with together. And I do love this eyeliner. I really do. It is so pretty. And I love the lip. Like, the lip just is me in a fall color. The brownie nude is gorgeous, you guys. So beautiful. Anywho's, thank you so much for watching. I will try a pumpkin spice latte. I promise. I really will. I know you guys are probably gonna be like, Jen, where have you been? I know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you being here. Y'all just mean the world to me, so thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. I invite you to like and comment. Let's chat about all things fall below, and I will leave the latest video right here so that you guys can join me there. I'll see you there. Bye, y'all.